those who have been affected by the incidents. While the railway minister, in fact, the railway board has launched a high-level probe into the stampede at the New Delhi railway station, a two-member committee has been formed to investigate the incident and identify the cause. High-level inquiry has also been initiated. Ashwini Vaishnav has ordered the probe into the stampede. My colleague Mehendi Garg is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehendi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has tweeted and also expressed his condolences to the victims and the families of those who have lost their loved ones and even these injured. While Ashwini Vaishnav, Railways Minister, has also ordered the two-member high-level inquiry into this entire stampede horror, where the details of how exactly it led to such a tragic incident and unfolded into this heart-wrenching incident is expected, while the report will be coming out shortly as well. Mehendi, share more details as far, in fact, what is that you are tracking in the latest as far as the report and the details on the inquiry is concerned.
Well, indeed, Simran, right now all the senior leaders have taken cognizance of this unfortunate incident that has happened at New Delhi railway station. And talking about the senior leaders, then yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, JP Nadda and all the BJP senior leaders have taken to their X platforms and took a cognizance over this matter and also showed their condolences to the deceased persons and also to the deceased families, because the toll number has increased to the levels of 18 and 18 people have lost their lives in this stampede that had occurred. And yes, Ashwini Vaishnav, the railway minister, has also taken cognizance now, and we can say that it is a big negligence that has happened at the New Delhi railway station. And now Ashwini Vaishnav has also called for an inquiry and has made two-person inquiry team to do the inquiry that what all happened and what leads to the stampede that happened at the railway station, and what were the reasons of the stampede, that how it started, and how the situation got worsened as 18 people had to lost their lives in this particular stampede. So yes, right now the inquiry team has been made, but no official statement has been come as of now. But we can expect the inquiry team and the investigation team to shortly also reveal the reasons behind the stampede that happened at the New Delhi railway station. So yes, now all the we can say the officials are on it, and the railway ministry has also taken cognizance to this, and the team has also been made. So shortly it is expected that some information can be provided by the ministry as well on this matter. Yes, Simran.